Namaste and welcome to YogaEndless by Anjali Pandey. In today's practice, we will be doing a strength flow sequence. I will encourage you to get started on your mat by standing. From here, get your legs together and go back on the top of your mat. Inhale, stretch your arms all the way up. Push it all the way up and stretch your body to your right side. Stretch it to your right side. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale to your left. Inhale up and exhale, release. Whether it is strength or flexibility or any other thing, warming up is essential, come what may. So let's get you started with a little good warm up. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Stretch your hands as straight as you can and slowly bend your knees. Release your chest down and drop your head, drop your hands and let it fall down with the gravity. Slightly rotate to your left, slightly to your right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, center. Now slowly reach out from your head to come all the way up. Release the hands and slowly from there we'll start with inhaling, arms all the way up. Look up at your palm, arch back slightly and exhale, slowly go all the way down. Release the head. From your inhale, step your right leg back. Take your left arm up and stay. Breathe. Keep your back knee straight. Push the hips slightly more lower. From here, drop the back knee down. Reach out from the legs and take your hands back. Stay. Keep your spine straight. Front leg straight. We're in a half split. If you keep the toes down on the floor, you'll feel the stretch on the top of your ankles. If you flex the feet up, pull the toes towards the ceiling, you'll feel the stretch on the back of your knees. You can choose where you want it. Inhale, slide up. Push your hips down, take your arms up, look up at your palms. Exhale from there, slowly release your left hand down and open this knee, lift up and hold. You can drop your knee down if this is too challenging for you, or you can keep the knee up, push the shoulder over and breathe. Back onto plank. Very slow. Go ahead, reach on the top of your toes and slowly go down. Release the body. Inhale, lift up. Navel off the floor, knees off the floor, shoulders down and back. Exhale, push the hips back. From here, lift up both the heels and drop it down. Now when you lift up, try to not move your shoulders back in front. Let it stay there and lift up and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale from there, roll your spine, go up into upward facing dog, push back into downward facing dog. We're going to do this 5 times. Inhale up, exhale back. Now when you do this, try to keep your body engaged. Don't make it very flexibility oriented, but instead make it strength oriented. So keep your body intact with you. Last 2 and 1. Slowly step your right leg ahead and both arms all the way up. Now from your seat, tuck your tailbone in, get your hands on the waist, and from here you're going to drop the back knee down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. We're going to go for 10. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. One more. Slowly from here, bend the front knee and go into chair pose. Stay low. If you want to check if you're doing right, just look down and see if you can look at your toes. If you can, that means you're doing correct. Look up and slowly release the hands. Stand straight and breathe. Going for the other side, inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step your left leg back. Right hand up and breathe. Stay. You can keep your back knee up if you want that added stretch. From there, slowly release the back knee down. Push the hips back. Toes down on the floor or towards the ceiling, personal choice. And keep your spine as long as you can. Breathe. Inhale, push the hips ahead. Arms all the way up. Stay. Tuck your tailbone in. Slowly release the right hand down. Turn towards your left side and come up into a left side plank. Take your arms up and breathe. Slowly going down into plank. Exhale, ahead and down. Inhale, push up. Exhale, push back. From your lifting up of your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Try not to move your shoulders. From there, roll your spine. Go up into upward facing dog. Push back into downward facing dog. We're going to do this 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale back. Last 2. And 1. Slowly take your left leg up and place it ahead between the palms. Get your hands on the waist. Tuck your tailbone in. Lift up the back knee and touch it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Slowly step the leg ahead into Utkatasana. Look up, tuck the tailbone in. To check, make sure you can see your big toes and take your head back up. Hold, hold, hold. And release. From here, we're going to try balance test. Inhale, bend the knees into Utkatasana. Exhale, twist to your right side. Get your left elbow on the right leg. From there, shift the weight on the right leg. See if you can lift the left toe off the floor. Drop it down. One more time. Inhale, lift. And step it back. Both arms all the way up. And face to your front. Going all the way down on the right side to Skandasana. Stay. Try to push. Either you can use your hands to push or do it without the hands to go on the other side. If your heels are off the floor, that's okay. Push through the feet to come up. Go down one more time. Push through the feet. You can use the hand or without the hand. You turn to the front, which is technically your back right now. From here, you're just going to go back. Drop your palms down on the floor and try to lift this front feet off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees. Slowly step the leg ahead. Come back into Utkatasana. And release. Same thing on the other side. Inhale, bend the knees. Arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. Right hand on the left feet. Shift the weight on the left leg and see if you can lift the right feet off. Drop it down. Once more. Try to lift up and see if you can hold that balance. Yeah, little wobble is good. That means you're trying. And then straighten it to drop it back into lunge. Arms all the way up. Rotate it to the front and drop into Skandasana. Yes, feel free with hands or without the hands. Going up, going down. That's it. And then face ahead. Step the feet ahead. Arms all the way up. Hold it for 5. Tuck the tailbone in, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Stand still. Thank you so much for joining me in this sweaty strength flowy practice, and I hope you had a good time. Have a good day.